feeding cream. Beer right now, makukuha mo lang sila beer. Again, as low as 402 pesos beer. Basket item number 5. Meron ka na pong feeding serum, feeding cream. Twice na ginagamit morning and night. So lang parehas. Basta sa umaga, dear, may sunscreen. Okay, don't forget, dear, the sunscreen ha. Basket number 12, dear. Ayan, this is good to partner with them. Okay, nang sa ganun lang, para mas lang pumunti, tumanggal yung pagputi ng malamig. Nang sa ganun, nonsense babe, ang pagputi hour like na arawan. Okay? Ayan. Sure, beer, I'm letting go face ha. Okay, let's go for our basket number 13. Beer right now for our basket item number 13. Kapag nag-check in rate na may papalibig sa ating toner. Okay, si basket number hindi okay, babayaran mo lang dyan 4 products for only 544 pesos. Beer, meron ka na po dyan ang cleanser. Okay, may cleanser ka na, may clay mask ka pa, dear. Soothing gel and acne drench cream. All of this, dear, is for only 544. But if you place order today, right now, dahil ko, ayun ha, facial. Okay, dear, bibigyan ko na dyan ng ating pa-free drink toner. Okay, pa-free drink cotton swab, and yung ating scooper. Babe, all of this, makuha mo lang dear, again, for only 544 pesos. If you have active acne, permanent acne, it's like acne, fungal acne, babe, pwede mom's common right now, go for this basket item number 13. Again, right now, all of this is for only, including the previous babe, for only 544 pesos. Again, babe, meron ka na pong pang morning na 13, dear, for the morning, dearest your mami, okay, Vicenta. Dear, right now, for the morning, cleanser, toner,
Where's our charger?
ayan, cleanser, toner, beer, as well as yung ating soothing gel. Okay, for the morning. Okay, for the evening, beer, ayan, ito sila lahat yung gamitin mo. Again, beer, ayan ha, cleanser, clay mask, toner, soothing gel, at ating acne drying lotion. Okay, for the evening. Alright? Again, everybody, for our basket number 13 here, all of this for only 544 pesos. Okay, including the previous beer. Okay, let's go na here for our basket item number 5. Bear right now, kung meron kang hangin here, meron ka dyang dark spot, meron kang pimple marks, okay, meron ka dyang pecas po, melasma, hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Bear right now, go ka na kay basket number 5. Bear right now with our basket number 5, this is dahil po combined with our advanced whitening technology. Meron po siyang 377 Simut Beer na clinically approved, will help you fade away your dark spot, your pimple marks, hyperpigmentation beer, even po yung ating pecas, melasma, PIE, PHB, kaya na pong i-fade away nang wala po tayong feel na mahapdir as well as wala pong tumala. So right now, hindi mo na po kailangan pa magtiis ganda. Magtiis pogi beer just to achieve clear skin. Be right na bigas na again here, achieve mo na siya without any worries using basket number 5. Okay, as well as for us, the other basket number 5 is also rich in antioxidants. So, may na po siyang vitamin C and ergothioneine na nakatulong po mag-boost ng skin ko. Sa ganun, prevent po yung early signs of wrinkles and flares. Plus, dear, it can also help, dahil ko, sa basket number 5, para po malesan yung production po ng skin melanin, okay? Na responsible for dark spots. Kaya right now, habang naka-desk ka ng price pa tayo dyan, dear, sino pa po? Okay, ang gusto pang humabol right now, para po makapag-check out, dear, let me know lang po siya ng sa ganun, of course. Maihabol ko yung order nyo sa ating priority shipping. And maybe check out now, ship out po tayo tomorrow morning. And we got another check out. Thank you so much, me, again, for done checking out. Again, everybody right now, hi po, yes, Beer. Darling kong Jers, ayan ha. For our basket item number 1, yes, darling ko, what is this, what you get there? B1P1 po tayong dalawang presyo na po siya already ng ating acne drying lotion, dear. As low as 195 pesos, babe, dalawa na. Dear, may pa-freebie ka pa sa aking cotton swab. Non-check out natin kasama si Miss Faisha, dear. Or for the non-check out dahil dyan, pasok na po sa ating priority shipping. Diyan lang yun, dear. Mabating pa ng happy, fantastic pili sale. Dahil ko expect mo may freebie ka sa akin toner, so cotton swab dear, as well yung scoop natin yan, okay? For our basket item number 13. Thank you so much, B, for that, please. So, dahil ko right now, sino pa? B, last 10 minutes. Okay, we only have your last 10 minutes, Beer. Mag-end na po tayo ng live. Kay Beef, how are you? Habang nakaskip pa tayo near, limited time na lang po tayo yan. Okay, right now, if ever napaswipe ka sa live ko, if ever mayroon ka ng skin problem right now, kung hanggang ngayon, may mga tigawat ka. Being right now currently suffering from an acne breakout. Meron ka dyang hormonal acne, cystic acne, fungal acne. Being right now, basket number 1, babe, napakamura lang, babe. Right now, B1T1. Be right now, our active acne and me right now for our basket number 1, nakatulong po siya, babe, magpatuyo, mag-dry up, babe, ng acne, nang wala po tayo na-feel na mahapde, pamamalat, mula. At the same time, nakatulong po siya mag-prevent magkaroon ng mga pimple marks and dark spots. So, be right now, 2-in-1 na po siya, daling ko. Okay, nakatulong siya magtanggal ng mga acne, as well as nakatulong siya mag-prevent magkaroon ng mga pimple marks. Be right now, okay? From 699 pesos base ang pedaso to dear. Daling ko since po tayo ay naka-pay sale. Be right now, B1T1 na po na dear. Okay, ayun ha, B1T1 as low as 109 na 7 pesos. Babe, may pa-free ka pa. Okay, si darling ko, Norman Idol, check out now. Wow, babe, congratulations. Baby shark. Okay, good day right now. Thank you so much again for time checking out. Pasok na din po sa ating priority shipping. So, again, me right now, sino pa dyan? Everybody, sa ating, ayan ha, 22 viewers. Okay, ayan, non-check out. Thank you so much, Miss Maria. There you go for Dawn. Releasing an order. Nakahabol pa kayo, babe, ha? We only have your last 8 minutes. Okay, babe, right now sa mga di pa nakapag-check out there, babe, I'm very sorry, not sorry, babe. But last 8 minutes na lang po tayo dyan. Okay? Kaya right now, babe, sulitin nyo. Okay? Save yung ating mga pag-iwan-iwan, yung ating mga pa-discount. Okay? Because again, right now, alagang napakalaki mirab ng mga nakukuha mong pa-discount up din ni Dr. Luke if right now if I were you. Again, mirab habang nakap-desk ka, price pa rin po tayo dyan. What are you waiting for? Dear, i-check out na siya. Because again, during the live lang po talaga tayo din nagbibigay ng gatong klaseng kabagsak presyo. Kaya be right now if I were you, i-check out mo na siya. Ano, one. Ni Barrage. Kaya me right now, go for the check no out. Okay, because again, grabe for our basket, sige, ang dahil po nag-add to cart, for our 25 viewers, sige, for the, pwede ba mag-extend? Extend ko lang, babe, ha? Sige, i-set ko yung time. Kasi exactly po kasi 10, babalik na po sa regular price yung mga products. Sige, extend tayo at 10 minutes. Okay, nang sa ganun, mas makapag-check out kasi near sayang discount eh. Okay, set ko lang, babe, kasi naka-timer yung mga discount. Kasi at exactly 10, babe, babalik sila sa regular price. So, extend ko, babe, ng mga 10 minutes. Okay, mga 10, babe, saka tayo mag-end. Nang sa ganun, nagisulat po yung ating mga pa-discount. Okay? Okay. Alright. Ay na, babe, ha? Sige, me right now, extend ko, babe, yung live ako up until 10:10. Okay, the same time, babe, sa mga bagong pasok out there, everybody, if ever di pa kayo nakahabol sa ating mga pa-discount, me right now, maglalabas ako ng voucher. Okay? For those out there, babe, na di pa nakapag-claim ng voucher, babe, right now, claim your voucher. And your to anyone, right now, ayun ha, nakapin na po yung screen. If ever wala ka ng voucher, babe, bigyan kita 18% off sa lahat mo nakapag-check out there. Para po sa inyo lahat yan. Maybe right now, habang nakasave pa tayo near Don, check out na magasagan, grabe na naman. We just got another check out. Thank you so much, Mia, for placing an order. So again, right now, sino po everybody ang habol pa, darling? Okay, pare po dyan, makapag-check out right now for our basket item number 1. Again, me right now have our basket item number naka B1T1 and dear, 2 peraso mayab na ating acne drying lotion. Again, makukuha mo lang siya dear, darling, again, as low as magkano siya. Right now, to our 26 viewers, for only, darling ko again ha, magkano siya right now. Grabe. Everybody right now, basket item number 1, 195 pesos. Babe, 2 na po siya. Okay, B1T1 of our acne drying lotion. May pa-cotton swab pa. Sa mga bagong pasok out there, dahil kong lovely, dahil kong Lyra, babe, and Laborte, babe, kay Arn. Babe, right now, dalian, babe, kasi malapit na po ako mag-end ng live. Okay? Ayun ha, kaya habang nakasil pa tayo niya, go for it. Okay, again, basket item number 1, B1T1 na po tayo dyan for only 195 pesos. Kay babe, how are you? Habang naka discount price pa tayo dear, ihabol mo na because hanggang dear, limited stocks na lang tayo here ha. Okay, for our basket item number 1, last 10 stocks na lang ng B1T1. Grabe, ang bilis maubos ha. Dear, limited stock ng si B1T, that's why talagang ayun, limited stocks na talaga tayo dyan. Okay, kaya right now, if are you, gusto mo siya makuha B ng 2 piraso lang, for only 195 lang dear. Right now, habang may stocks pa tayo dear, i-check out mo na. Okay? Again, me right now, water break. Ito, babe, ha? Marami nag-request na yung dear. Gusto, dear lang po yung pabiwan, yung Dr. Leo, dear, ayun, ilabas yun na po yung pabiwan. Ito, dear, ngayong payday sale. Okay, nilabas na po namin, dear. Yung ating pabiwan, talagang swak sa bulsa. For only 195, dear, 2 piraso na po yun. Right now, if ever you are currently suffering from an acne problem, meron ka po dyang active acne, hormonal acne, cystic acne, beer right now. Go for the go. Go for the chocolate na for our basket item number 1. Kailangan kong mag-go sa bahay. Ayun, dear. Ayun na, kaya right now, sa mga ano dyan, dear, ingat-ingat kayo. Wag kayong magpakagat sa mga pusa o sa mga aso. Kasi, dear, mahal ang anti-rabies, dear. Okay? Anyways, again, me right now ha, for our basket item number 2. Ay, number 3, babe. Yes, me right now, basket item number 2, dear, ay, ito. Dear, daling kong ayun ha, as of now, this is our newest daling kong cleanser. Okay, part siya ng ating 7 times hermit series. Be right on this very gentle na skin. Okay, successor siya babe ng ating polyamino acid. Okay, yung ating 7 times ceramide. Okay, soothing facial cleanser. Be right now, if ever you have sensitive skin sensitivity, if you are pregnant, like naman, pwede po sa yan. Okay, yung cleanser na yan. Specifically, ayan lang po yung panasin nyo sa mga pregnant na moms out there. Si basket item number, at po yung number 11. As of now, beer, wala po akong sample niyan because again, bago pa siya, beer. Okay? Hindi pa siya na-release here. So, early access, baby yan. Kaya right na mas mura siya. Okay? Ayun na kasi near, pre-sell siya right now. Okay, right now, if I were you, habang nakasilpan, check out mo na siya, babe. O kasi, bago pa lang yan, diba? Low pH B, kaya suitable siya sa mga sensitive skin, as well as near gentle, daling pa siya. Nakatulong siya mag-hydrate ng ating balat. Okay? At the same time, ayun, reduce inflammation. Talagang maganda siya, babe. For those out there na may sensitive skin. Okay? So, daling great na hindi pa siya available, ha? Pero dear, hopefully in the future, magkaroon na ng sapat. Pero, pwede mo siya i-check out, babe. Okay? Alright. Again, everybody, right now, going back po tayo, darling ko, for our basket item number 5. Bay, right now, si basket number 5, sino po dyan ang habol? Because again, for our basket number, grabe, 31 viewers, basket number 5, last 6 stock left available remaining for our duo set. Be right now specifically for this at beer, 2 piraso, 442 pesos beer, 404 pesos again. May ano po yung feeling serum, feeling cream. Kaya right now, sa mga bagong pasok update, kung ikaw dyan, meron ka dyang dark spot, meron kang pimple marks, meron ka pong pecas melasma. If you want those to fade away, pero ayaw po na mahapde, ayaw mo na mahapde right now, don't worry anymore because again, Dr. Leo got your back with our whitening sun at babe. Wala po siyang hapde, wala po siyang pumamalat. Okay? It contains na lang ko our advanced whitening technology na 377C with babe na clinically approved. Talagang nakakatulong po siya magkaputi ng ating balat nang wala pong hapde pumamalat. Okay, di lang yun near. This is also rich in antioxidant. Meron po siyang vitamin C and ergotamine to keep your scalp very healthy as well as para ma-boost po yung ating skin collagen ng sa ganun. Para natin yung early signs of wrinkles and fine lines. May right now, last 6 stock. Okay? First come, first serve. Paunahan mag-check out di kasi right now, limited stocks on near para po sa ating discount price. Daling ko na ating serum and cream. May right now, if our you ha, at the beer, dalawang to is 1,999. But right now, since po tayo ay naka-pay sale na near, darling ko, dalawa na siya, serum cream, 402 pesos lang. Dear, kumbaga parang 200 siya isang peraso. Di ba? Ang mura. Babe, average check out mo to separately. Di right now, serum ko alone, is nasa around 400 pesos. Babe, cream ko alone, nasa 380 pesos. Di ba? So, mas mahal pa rin siya kapag individual check out. So, babe, right now, habang nakabundle set pa, for po sa basket number 1, again, nakapin po right now, 400 lang siya, babe. Talagang ang laki babe ng discount. Again, babe ha, kapag mag-check out, don't forget dear, i-claim yung voucher mo. Kasi kapag i-check out mo siya dear, as you can see over here, 400 to siya, di ba? Pero kapag i-check out mo siya, di mag-iba yung price. Okay, if that's the case, babe, ayan ha, ibig sabihin dear, hindi pa naka-add yung voucher. Di ba? Kapag i-check out mo siya sa 500 siya. But right now, click mo lang po yung ating voucher, platform voucher. Pili mo ba yung pinakataas? Click okay, and boom. 410. Okay, ayan dear. Wow! Darling kong fancy, done, check out. Basket item number 2, beer, 3 pieces. Grabe, di ba? Dali ko napakamura. For only 300 pesos, baby. Dali ko dahil dyan, pasok na po sa ating priority shipping nilang yun. Darling kong, ayun ha, Franzi, meron ka sa akin pa freebing cotton swab. Babe, congratulations. Meron ka ng ano, half a year supply. Kasi years ng bottle, tumatagal siya ng 2 months. So, meron ka ng 6 months. Okay, up supply of our acne joint. So, sure, babe. Number 44, Miss Alexa, babe, right now, if you are, ayun ha, sa mga viewerships ko din, merong skin sensitivity, skin sensitivity, like if you have sensitive skin, okay, dry, same time dry skin, or the skin bare, o kung ikaw po dyan a pregnant mom or lactating mommy out there, you can go po for our basket item number 44. May right na kanaga na to, this is for intensive hydration. Nakatulong po siya mag-repair ng skin barrier. So, ganun na, mas maging healthier siya. Okay? Again, may rate na meron ka dyang, meron ka dyang nanin ko 377 toner, cream, as well as yung ating, rather, serum and yung ating cream. Bear right now with this regard, talagang may maintain nga. Okay? Yung healthier skin barrier mo, as well as beer, talagang nakapag-produce siya, beer, okay, ng ating ceramides in our skin. Okay, again, beer ha, naturally, dear, we do produce ceramides, but right now, as we grow older, talagang ayun, kumukonti po siya. But right now, near with this one, it will help keep your skin barrier, your skin, your silk, and same time, masut yung skin if you are prone of having redness. With this one, talaga siya magsut ng skin. So, yun na mas maging calmer siya. Okay, as well as reducing redness, inflammation, irritation po, itchiness na ating balat. Okay, again, me right now, this skincare is suitable for those out there na mayroong sensitive skin, dry skin, as well as babe. Okay, this one here is ano talaga, suitable siya for pregnant and lactating moms. Okay, for intensive hydration, ito here. Okay, pinakip of this 377 is for whitening. Okay, if our dear may mga dark spot and pimple marks, dear, we should focus. Brilliant ng hangin ito sa katangahan na kasi ano. Wala ko sinabi. Naunahan ako. Si Miss ay, di ba? Yung mga kasama bilang sumusulpot may dalang brilyante. Ewan ko ba sa mga kasama ko nito, babe, mga Encantadix, pati tuloy ako nadadamay. Di ba ang random nun? Okay. Again, everybody right now, for our pinagkaibadihan ko, Miss Alexa, right, si basket item, si ating number 5, a 377B contains whitening ingredients. Okay, contains our advanced whitening technology. The 377B, na clinically approved, will help you fade away the dark spot, pimple marks, hyperpigmentation. Ayun po yung difference ng dalawa. Okay, the blue series mirror is for intensive hydration, focuses much more on repairing the skin barrier. Okay, at the same time for sensitive skin. Okay, both of them, by the way, are safe for pregnant mom and lactating mommies out there. Okay, these two together, these two set B. Ito lang ha, specifically, the things that I'm holding right now is suitable for, is pwede po sa pregnant and lactating mom. The rest there is bawal na po. Okay, the rest is forbidden. Because again, yung iba talaga may mga, active ingredients. Okay? So that's why bawal po sa mga pregnant. Ito lang dear. This 1 to 5 products BM is good for pregnant moms. Okay? Alright. So ayun po yung pinag-iba darling ko ha. Okay, hope na gets. Okay, so again everybody right now, sino pa po dyan ang habol? Grabe! We got another checkout. Thank you so much, babe. Again, for done placing po an order. Again, everyone right now have for our basket item nam. Hi po kay Sat. Hi, Beer. Again, good morning po kay Sir Raymond, kay Ariel. Okay, ayan kay Ross, kay Aliana. Ayan, si darling kong Candice. Thank you so much, Beer, for the dawn. Check out, Babe. Dahil dyan, congratulations. Dear, you got the best price. Pasok na po sa aking priority shipping. Again, me right now ha, sa lahat po nakapag-place order today, all of your orders will be shipped out tomorrow morning. Check out na may ship out po tayo tomorrow. Okay, if ever may mga questions pa tayo dyan, concerns right now, clarification, ano bang skincare bagay para sa akin? Okay, ano pong pwede sa mga acne? Ano po pwede sa mga large pores? Babe, let me know. Okay, kindly comment naman so that I can recommend to you the right products, babe. Ano bang maganda na suitable for skin problems? Right now, para po sa 27 years sensitive na parang di po tayo malito. Okay? Comment down below, babe. I can recommend, as in sa likulat naman ng items, babe, ay naka-discounted price, dear. Kahit mag-set ka ba, dear, talagang swags budget lang. Okay? Especially if si number 4. May rate, number 5 pala rather. Si number 5, dear, ay sa lahat out there. Again, kung hanggang ngayon ay may mga dark spot ka pa din, may mga pimple marks, may mga pekas melas, lumipas na po ang dalawang buwan. At long buwan, 6 na buwan, dear, isang taon, may mga dark spot ka pa din, pimple marks, pekas po, melasma. Babe, right now, if you want those to fade away na, dalhin ko. Okay, matanggal na sa skin mo, babe. Right now, go ka na kay basket number 5. Be right again for our basket item number 5. Kung ayaw po na mahapde, ayaw mo na mamula, babe. Ayaw mo, of course, na namumula. Be right na sino naman namang gusto nun. Di ba? Wala naman. If you want to have a clear skin, okay? Be right now, you can go for our basket number 5. Be right now for our basket item number 5. Unlike any other products right now in the market. We have this one, naling ko, our products, of course, Dr. Leo, is powered by science and advanced technology. Be right now with this one, you won't feel any worries, maybe you won't feel stinging movements, peeling movements, or redness ng skin. Because again, beer, it contains our advanced whitening technology na clinically approved. Talaga nakatulong po siya puputin yung ating balat. Okay, ipalatin up, ipabrighten up beer, ipag-glow. Nang wala po tayo dyan, you feel na mahapdi, pumumula, or pumumalat. Okay, that's how good it is. Okay, right now, habang nakasipa tayo ng year for our basket number 5, again, last 6 stock. Oh my God! Always. Sorry. My babe, ingat ka. Lagi ka na lang umahalis. Okay, again, habang naka-desk ka yung price po tayo here. Right now, go. Akala ko may bilyante na naman sa akin eh. At there, darling ko, for acne scars. Be right now, is it deep scars or what? Is it darling ko acne marks ng or blemishes? Kasi be right now for acne scars, if ever nag-iwan po ng acne scars, deep scars yung acne members, sorry, babe. As of now, we still have wala pa tayong mga products, babe, for acne scar. Oh, deep. Darling ko right now, babe, I'm very sorry. For deep scars, babe, ayan, need na talaga ko ipa-derma siya because again, wala pa pong products. Okay, right now, in the whole market there, na nakatulong po mag-renew ng skin. Kasi, babe, ayun na, sa mga viewers sa Discovery, if you want to avoid deep acne scars, kailangan mo na talaga i-prevent ang pag-pop or pag-prick ng acne. Kasi, dear, once ma-pop siya, babe, kahit accidentally, it will cause trauma in our skin. That's why talagang nag-occur ng deep acne scars. So, babe, yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay, it's really hard to cure. Tagalangin because again, it needs ano, it needs technology. Like for example, need ng ipa-derma siya. Okay, like Botox to fill in those gaps. Kasi dear, right now, wala pang skin talaga nakapag-renew ng bagong skin cells. Okay, wala pa talagang ganun. Okay, so kailangan mo dear, if you want to, if our, for example, my love, your scars is kind of dark, okay, like myself, ako ha, may mga deep scars din po ako, but right now, you won't notice because again, nag-camouflage siya kasi maputi ako eh. Okay, that's why, hindi na siya noticeable. So if you want that, darling ko, at the same time, hindi siya mahalata, okay, for now, go ka kay basket number 5. Okay, kasi dear, this can help lighten the skin sa ganun, ma-camouflage, babe, yung mga, yung ating mga deep scars. Siguro hindi siya mahalata sa skin mo. Again, for our basket item number 5, this can help, babe, brighten the skin ng sa ganun, pumuti po yung ating balat. Okay, mag-fade away yung mga dark spot, pimple marks, blemishes. Okay, pekas pumilasma nang wala pong hapde pumalat. So, for now, I can only recommend to you this one. Okay, sa ating basket item number 5, as well as be ito yung ating clay mask. With our clay mask, this can help minimize large pores. If ever dear, meron yung large pores, open pores, this one dear, nakatulong siya mag-minimize, okay, ng ating mga large pores. Right now, basket number 3, B1, T1 to B. So, meron ka ng half a year of supply ng mga skincare mo. Okay, again, wait lang. Asa na ba tayo? Okay, hi po kay Mary Rose. Hi, Beerbs. Again, next ko siya, Beer. Tapos, sinanag ko dyan. Okay, number 18 po ng Babe. Right now, for our food, this is our food set Babe. Miss Mary Rose, our food set Babe of our whitening set Babe contains 4 products na po already, as low as 710,000 Babe. Ano po dyan ang cleanser, clay mask, acne drying lotion, rather serum and cream beer right now for your morning routine. So, ganito siya beer. Paano siya gamitan beer? For your morning beer, right now mag-cleanser ka. Okay, cleanser, serum for the morning. And plus, if ever may sunscreen ka, may love, may rose, mag-sunscreen ka. But if you don't, daling ko basket number 13, pwede mo siya isama. Okay, sa set mo beer. Because again, important po ang sunscreen. Kasi nonsense po ang whitening products if ever naarawan ka. That's why you need to incorporate sunscreen in your skincare routine. Okay, all the time. Kahit hindi pa siya water sa kahit anong sakyan near, kailangan mo ng sunscreen to avoid free radicals or what we call wrinkles and fine lines. Babe, always wear sunscreen all the time. Okay, again, babe, serums, cleanser, serum, at yung ating sunscreen sa umaga. Sa gabi, right now, lahat na to. Serum, rather cleanser, clay mask, serum, and cream. Babe, with this set, talagang nakatulong siya, babe, magpuputi ng ating skin. Para nang skin na ma-feed away po yung ating mga dark spot, pimple marks, hyperpigmentation, there without any burning sensation, stinging moments, at the same time, wala po siyang peeling moments or redness. Same time, babe, this also, by the way, rich in antioxidants. Meron po siyang vitamin C and ergothioneine to help boost our skin collagen. Sa ganun, prevent, babe, yung early signs of wrinkles and fine. So, ganun here, makip natin yung ating skin elasticity. Okay, nang sunod magsag, mag-wrinkle yung ating skin. That's why here, maganda siya for maintenance. Okay, this is my maintenance, babe. Kasi before, ayun, madami yung acne, babe. 2 months ago, I suffered from acne breakout. Okay, ayun, handa ni Kumari Rose. If ever may mga tigawat ka pa, dear, maliliit, tiny bumps, isama mo si basket number 1. Okay? Incorporate mo talaga sa skincare mo si basket number 1. Ito, babe, nakatulong siya mag-dry out ng acne. So, be right if you want to, you can go for also basket number 1. Naka-B1 yan po over here for only 195. So, pwede mo siya, babe, isama. Basta sa pinaka, babe, pinaka-tool sa skincare mo. Okay? You can incorporate this as the last step. Okay? For your skincare. Okay, ganyan, ang paggamit to ha is that's lang here. Okay, at the same time, iwan mo siya overnight. So, ganun, okay, ayun ha, ma-dry yung acne mo, babe. You will continue yan until matanggal yung mga acne. You have to be consistent every single night malalagay mo siya. So, be right now, huwag mo siya i-shake. Again ha, ito na po, paano siya gamitin. Be right now, don't shake the product. Instead, hintay mo mag-separate, darling ko, yung liquid sa powder. And once may mag-separate siya, kuha ka lang po ng cotton swab, which is may freebie po kayo ha. So, lahat na mag-check at ng basket number 1, may freebie kayo sa aking cotton swab. 20 pieces po yung laman nun, dear. Asa na siya? Asa na yung ayan? Okay, kuha ka lang babe ng cotton swab, tapos i-dip mo lang siya here in the powder part. Kunin mo lang near yung powder part, scoop mo lang siya babe, tapos ilagay mo siya kung saan part ng skin mo may mga tigyawat. Leave it overnight. Okay, na sa ganun, ma-absorb the skin mo yung products. At the same time, 8 to 10 hours sa skin mo. Nang skin talaga ma-fully absorb ng skin mo yung gamot ng ating product. Same time, if you are of using this one, within just weeks pa lang, we will see the visible improvement of your skin health. If our near, again ha, for our basket number 1, naka-B1T1 na po tayo this. You heard me right? Ayun ha, hindi po kayo dali ay naninito na naginap near. Pato po yung meal. Legit yung meal, 2 piraso for only 195 pesos, babe. Dalawa na po agad ang makuha mo, may pa-freebie ka pang okay, na cotton swab. Di ba, apakasulit. Right now, if I were you, again, babe, habang nakasil pa tayo dyan, everybody, what are you waiting for? Okay, hi po kay Jeff. Hi, babe. Ayan kay Kido. To our, okay, lovely viewership. Right now, we just got another check out. Baby shark. Thank you so much, Bea, again, for done checking out. So again, right now, everybody, ako po, base is sa tigawat pero malaki na. Darling ko dyan, if ever mayroon kang active acne, that is cystic acne, babe. If that's the case, be right now, pwede po si basket number 1, my love. Okay, if mayroon ka po dyan hormonal acne, cystic acne, fungal acne, tiny bumps, or commodos, be right now, go ka na kay basket item number 1. Darling ko dyan. Kasi darling ko right now, with our basket item number 1, no matter how big or small the acne is, kaya po siya i-dry out ng acne ng ating basket number 1, dear. Ayun, nanin ko yung mga cystic acne. Ayun po talaga kadalasan nag-iwan ng mga dark spot. Be right now, wag mo siya i-pop. Don't ever pop the acne. If ever malaki siya, malit na near, it will cause trauma on the skin. Okay? Be right now, instead of popping it out, why not dry them out? Okay? Patuloy natin yung mga tigaw. Sa ganun, hindi siya mag-cause ng okay, impurities sa ating ba. So, be right now, go ka na kay basket number 1, darling ko. Okay? Diyan. Okay, again, babe, ibabad mo sa skin mo talaga mismo yung ating acne dry lotion. Dear, tapos, ayun, pagising mo sa umaga, saka mo siya ilamos. Basta last na po yung kanyang mga umaga, last na po yung kanyang okay, redness. Pwede ba yung cleanser, serum, sunscreen, at ihuli yung basket number 1 para, yes, babe. Darling ko, Mary Rose, yung ating cleanser, serum, sunscreen, dear, sa umaga po yan. Okay, yung sunscreen, babe, sa umaga lang po. Dear, sa ating acne lotion number 1, hindi po siya pwede gamitin sa umaga. Okay? Sa gabi lang siya babe ginagamit, ha? Okay? So, before your morning again routine, cleanser, serum, sunscreen lang po. Sa gabi, cleanser, klima, serum cream, tapos acne drying lotion, Miss Mary Rose. Okay? Again, darling ko yung ating acne dry lotion number 1, every single night siya ginagamit. Okay? Hindi po siya ginagamit sa umaga, sa hapon. Because again, if ever yung mas kinabahay na may ganito, dear, again, it will contaminate, yung air, the liquid pollution will dedicate yan sa powdery part, it will contaminate the skin. At the same time, it will, baka mag-worse spike acne. That's why, sa gabi lang siya nagamit. Okay, in the comfort of your home, dear, you can get rid of your acne as using our acne gel lotion. So, dear, di mo na po kailangan pang magtutumula sa Paderma, magpakaal sa clinic, dear, just to get rid of your acne. Because again, right now, with our basket item number 1, it can do this job, dear, to help get rid of the acne. Okay? Kaya right now, habang nakabdas ka ng price pa tayo dyan, everybody go for it. Again, everybody, right now, ha? For our basket number 1, still hanggang ngayon, naka-B1 pa tayo. Again, dear, ayun na, we are live up until sa mga bagong pasok out there, 10:30. Okay, right now, habang naka-sale pa tayo dyan, be right now, go for it. Because again, last 14 minutes left. Ang bilis ng oras, di ba, babe? Kanina nalang ko, ano pa lang, kanina 9 pa lang, but right now it's already 10, and we are, ano lang ko, okay, and then ending the live, at exactly po 10:30, grabe, ang bilis ng oras. Maybe right now, hiyangan po ba yung product ni Dr. Leo? Lahat kasi na-try ko, lalo, ayun na, lahat na po kasi na-try ko, lalong lang po ako dear, that is very natural. But right now, if you are trying new skincare products, babe, ayun ha, that is called, ayan, purging. Okay, babe, purging, babe, is natural, ayun, reaction, babe, ng ating. So if ever nag-try ka ng bagong product na katigay ka, that's very natural. It means effective yung product because, dear, nilalabas na yung mga toxins sa skin mo. Okay, after a while, babe, a few weeks, it will subside, matanggal pa yung mga acne mo, and at the same time, doon mo lang ma-achieve ang clear skin. That's why you have to be consistent nga pa sa paggamit, babe. Trust the process. Kung baga nga, dear. So, if ever, dami mo na ma-try, dear, same time, pabago-bago ka ng skin. That's why, hindi mo na lang yung effect kasi inaayawan mo agad eh. Okay, so you have to be consistent, my love. Okay, sa paggamit. Because again, purging is very natural reaction of the skin. So if ever, dear, you experience acne breakout, if ever try our products, of course, it's lahat po ng products, babe. Okay, lahat ng products, babe, may purging. Okay, including Dr. Leo. That's why, daling ko, you just have to be consistent po. Okay, sa paggamit. Alright? But babe, sometimes yung iba din nag-confirm because again, compatible sila with each other. Okay? Kasi sometimes, babe, yung mga ibang dear, iba-iba yung products na gamit. That's why I don't recommend, dear. Talagang, hindi ko na-recommend, dear, mag-mix and match ng mga products. Sometimes, if ever, dear, iba-iba yung products na gamit mo, di sila compatible with each other. Which means, parang may skincare, may certain ingredients mo ng parang, ingredients mo na nagkatalo. Okay? When it comes to, ayan, skincare na iba-iba. That's why I always recommend, dear, stick to one brand. Here. Kasi dalang ko, minsan yung one brand na yan, meron silang common ingredient, which is dalang ko, suitable talaga with each other. Okay, salamat po sa you are very welcome, Miss Mary Rose. Okay, yes, Bea, we also have here the cleanser. We have different kind of cleanser, mild, we have mild, gentle, we also have there for oily skin, we also have a hybrid cleanser for deep cleansing. Okay, what do you want na rin ko? I have there, ayun na, we also have, of course, for those out there na proggy and lactating moms out there, marami na naghahanap, dear, okay, na pregnant mas for the skin. Kasi sometimes, diba, okay, if ever you are pregnant, nagkaroon ka ng hormonal changes when inacne ka, may right now, I recommend to you, si basket item number, ayan, number 11B. Okay, if you are looking for a very mild cleanser, near with a low pH level, go for basket number 11B. Right now, ha, for those out there na mayroong sensitive skin, dear, hanapin nyo pa yung mga low pH, like for example, this one, number 11, this is our 7-time ceramide, dear, with a low pH level cleanser. So, which means very mild and very gentle po siya na skin as well as very hydrating siya. Kasi babe, yung ibang cleanser, di ba, dry sa balat. Okay, that's suitable for those out there na mayroong active oily skin na po. Okay, but if ever you have mild, if you have sensitive skin, dear, dry skin ka, then you should look for something na low pH. Like for example, this one. At the babe, brand new to, dear. Di pa to actually nilabas sa market. But right now, okay, early access, babe, nakapin pa ito ngayon, pay sale. Pwede mo siya ma-check out, guys. Okay, yung ating basket number 11. As low as, again, 300 pesos right now. Okay, so medyo may pagka-price because again, ano pa siya, dear? Hindi pa siya nilabas in the market. So right now, kapag nilabas siya, babe, mas discount na siya. Pero if you want early access for that one, pwede mo siya i-check out, babe. Okay, kasi wala pa tayong sample of here. Okay, this is our newest cleanser, babe. At the difference kayo, no? Diba? So, as you can see over here, meron tayong what happened? Meron tayong 3 types, babe, of a cleanser. Meron tayong salicylic, babe, for acne-prone skin, 7 times ceramide for Sa Salab Skincare and yung ating, ayan, hybrid cleanser for all types of skin and beard. Okay? For deep cleansing, removes dirt, same time, excess sebum. Ayan. Okay? Again, right now, habang okay. Okay, so parang need ko na mag-eat kasi sumasakit ng head ng person na to. Okay, be for a while to our 40 mga viewers. Good morning, evening rather. Maayong gabi po sa imong tanan. May Ramazan besides na rate if ever pay mga gusto po pong mag-ask. If ever may questions pa po clarification. Again, me, don't hesitate to reach me out. Just comment down below na mga skin problem meron po. Be right now ha. For our basket item number 1 beer. Number 5. Okay, sige, ano ba? Okay, number 1. Sige, let's go for our basket number 1. Napaka-design, di makapag-design nila. Okay, be aware for our basket item number 1. Be right now, sino dito may mga active acne? If ever be right now, if you are a student beer, if you are looking something on the budget ng beer, number 1, B1T1 beer, 2 piraso. Yes, you heard me right. 2 pieces products beer. Okay? As low as 195 pesos. Babe, dalawa na po ang makuha mo dyan na acne drying lotion. Babe, right now for this one, okay, this is good for out there na mayroong active acne, hormonal acne, cystic acne, fungal acne, tiny bumps, or even comodos. Yes, babe. Okay, all products po ni Dr. Leo is for those out there if you are in your 13s, years old and above, babe, pwede po kayo gumamit na ating skincare products, babe. Okay? Kasi near, ay during puberty, mayroong hormonal changes. That's why talagang tayo po ay tinitagawat. Okay? So yung mga acne po ng mga teens right now is hormonal acne. Okay? Because again, hormonal changes, tumataas ang, ayun ha, testosterone level or ayan, progesterone level ng girls at boys out there. That's why talagang titigawat tayo dyan. Okay? And that's why we're for our basket number 1, my love. If ever, Junaklas mo na lang constant is meron na mga acne babe. If she is a boy or girl there, pwedeng-pwede po yung ating product. Okay? Basket item number 1. Again, Mira, for those out there na may active acne, hormonal acne, cystic acne, fungal acne, Mira, right now, go ka na kay basket item number 1. Again, right now, naka-B1 pa na sa murang halaga. Mira, right now, from 699 everybody. If you're going to place right now in the market near sa mall outside, so what and so Mira, this will cost you 699 babe. But right now, okay, babe, okay, grabe ang discount, babe, ha? Hindi ko masabing half the price, talagang napakamura niya. Because again, right now, ayun ha, 2 piraso, babe. Not 1, but 2 for the price of 1. Again, for only 195 pesos, babe, 2 na po ang makuha mo. May pa-freebie ka pa sa akin, dear. Nako. Talagang grabe ang laking discount, babe, ha? Pero dear, we are live up until 10:30. Right now, last 7 minutes, babe. 40 viewers, magmadali. Dear, kasi right now, meron ka ng last 7 minutes. Okay, once mag-live exactly, dali ko 10:30, babe. Sorry, not sorry, because daling ko right now, I did my best. Okay, nasabi ko na po lahat ng sabi, gusto ko experience near, ang choice mo ng near makapag-check out. Okay, right now, habang nakasil pa tayo dyan, yung correct na, if you want to help yourself, okay, if you want to achieve a clear skin, beer, right now, habang naka-disconnect pa tayo dyan near, start your skincare journey with Dr. Leo. Because again, right now, grabe, we got another check out. Okay. Again, be right now, sino po dyan dear ang gusto po humabol? Let me know lang po ha. Okay. Sino pa dyan dear ang gusto mo pong makapag-place? Okay, if ever may mga questions pa din near, verification, let me know. Okay, we'll have last 6 minutes. Hi po kay Sir J. Ayan, kay Kylin. Okay, ayan. Be right now for our basket item number ganyan, right? B1T1 po tayo. So, next item po tayo. At then, yun ko, basket item, sa mga bagong pasok out there, naglabas na ba ako ng voucher? Babe, naka-claim na ba kayo ng mga voucher, babe? If ever need pa, be right now, let me show you the voucher entry. So, anyone, be right now, hurry up and claim the budget ng souvenir. Talagang mas makatipid ka pa. Be right now sa mga gusto mo pong humabol out there for our basket item number. Oh my God. Basket item number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Ano ba? Gulo. Okay, number 3, behave. Naka-B1T1 na po like near 2 piraso na po dear ng ating kalimas. Dear, right now, sino mo dito? Kung ikaw po dyan, dear, ay mayroon ka po dyan large pores, open pores. Okay, mayroon ka po dyan comodones, tiny bumps. O di kay BM, if we do have here, ayun ha, blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin cells being right now, if ever nag-build up na bang makeup sa skin mo, baka dali ko malaman ka ng dead skin cells. Babe, if that's the case, you have to exfoliate the skin. Beer, right now, for our basket item number 3, beer, right now, naka-B1T1 na patay na beer. With this claim as beer, talaga nakatulong po siya, okay? Mag-minimize ng mga large open pores bilang sa galon, okay? Ma-control po yung ating oily skin, as well as hindi nakatulong siya mag-melt down ng mga blackheads, whiteheads, especially the dead skin cells. But right now, ngayong fantastic Pedicel Beer, naka-B1T1 na po ating 2 piraso, not 1 but 2 pieces na po siya babe already ng ating acne dry lotion. Again, babe, for as low as magkano? Oh my gosh, darling ko right now. Oh my God, 200. Wait lang, double check. 265. Beer right now, 2 na po siya. Meron ka na pong half a year supply. Okay, ng ganito mo, babe. So again, right now, sino po po dyan, everybody, ang gusto po humabol right now para po makapag-check out, dear. Let me know lang po siya right now before pa tayo, of course, makapag-end ng ating live. Because again, dear, limited time offer na po tayo, dear. Last 4 minutes, Mayor, before pa tayo mag-end ng live. Kaya, babe, make sure makahabol ka po sa pag-place order. Okay? Nang sunod, dear, ayun ha, talagang hindi ka maubusan ng ating mga pa-discount price. Because again, right now, today, right, dear, ayun ha, pahabol last day. Pedicel ni Dr. Leo. Right now, beer, what? Go. Go. Check it. Nahilo na ang person. Kailangan na kumain ng person. Because again, I am so dizzy. Like, oh my God, parang feeling ko. Ang lightheaded ko. Okay? Again, me right now, sino pa dyan, everybody? To our 37 viewers and shoppers ko, the beer, ang habol. Again, darling ko right now, para po makapag-check out there, let me know lang po siya. Ano, Turch? Okay, ayan. Sabi ni darling ko, Army, hi beer, good morning, good evening po. May set mo na kasama ang toner?
Wala akong magpapasalamat.
Totoo, buti nang pumasok ka. Ayan, sa amin yung darling kong Army, ayan ha, partner, ano mo daw sa kanya yung toner na may facial wash and cream. Ay, beer, I'm sorry, pero wala. Okay,
Ano?
meron, kaso,
Set?
ay wala nga, hindi, wala talaga may set. Okay, wala akong babe cut na may toner. Kailangan mo siya i-separate check out.
Uy, ba't meron ano dyan? Salicylic acid.
Ayun ko, pwede ko na dyan pa rin siya. May lang for a while ha, nahihilo na ang person. Parang kailangan ko halaga kumain. Parang,
Hindi akong makain.
hindi.
Ano, bibili kita yung ano, gutom ka.
Hala,
Ano?
libre mo?
Kung may malaking aragat dyan.
Sus!
Ano, ayoko na, gutom ka pa. Bilis!
Ayan, wait lang, be for a while. So, is your next voice.
Ako naka-blue ba?
Bugo-bulo nga kasi lang.
Hello po, ang init! Comment nyo na po yun guys sa done checking out. Once you are done checking out mga kaibigan, habol na po tayo mga Mr. Russell at mga concerns, problems na po dyan. Comment nyo na po yan guys sa baba done checking out once you are done checking out. Because you only have last few minutes mga kaibigan ha. Mag-go for the go check out na po tayo mga Mr. Hello Ma'am Reling, magandang umaga po Ma'am gabi po Ma'am Reling. Yan, Ma'am Janet Sentino, hello Ma'am Janet Sentino, magandang gabi po Ma'am Janet. Ma'am Inday 2, hello Ma'am Inday 2.